Alright, Ellie, stick a finger in. Now stick a finger in. Ellie, don't worry about getting the tape off. Find a place where you can stick a finger in and just rip the paper. Ellie, stick a finger in, honey. Stick a finger in.
Where is it?
In between the tape, stick a finger in. Right by where your thumb, yeah, stick a finger in there. Just rip it. You can do it. Okay, now rip some more. That's the most fun, is ripping all the paper off. Big rip. Big, there. Oh, there, now we're starting to get there. Man, did I wrap this one? I must have. Okay, get all the paper off. Now what is it?
It has Snow White.
And?
Yes, Snow White.
And what else does it have?
This Tinkerbell.
Maybe.
It is Tinkerbell.
And do you have Minnie Mouse? Do you have Minnie?
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah. Those are...
Black ears and Mickey Mouse.
Yes. Those are puzzles.
Puzzles.
Those are puzzles. So you want to try to put those puzzles together later?
I want to right now.
You want to right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Ellie, can you look at me and say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
I love you, baby girl.
This is my puzzle.
Yes, it is.